Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll show you how to add a text record in Cpanel. So let me quickly log into Cpanel and show you guys how it's done. So I've logged into my Cpanel. In the Cpanel settings, just scroll down and under domains go to zone editor. So in the zone editor you have to select the domain and click on manage. And here I'll select the filter as txt, okay, or yeah, and then I'll click on add record. Valid zone name is nothing but your website, so in my case it's my website, that is tipswithalam.com. and if you have a subdomain you can enter that subdomain like this, your subdomain name here. And once it is done, you can just go to record and paste this record over here. So once you paste this record, you can click on save record and that will save the record. And this is usually applicable when you are trying to connect trying to add some functions to your domain, okay, some functions or some instructions, or trying to connect an IP address to this. This usually happens when you are trying to manage a domain and you set some rules for this domain as to how this can receive an email or what kind of emails it should whitelist or blacklist. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.